Carbon capture and storage, or carbon capture and sequestration and carbon control and sequestration, is the process of capturing waste carbon dioxide, transporting it to a storage site, and depositing it where it will not enter the atmosphere. Usually the CO2 is captured from large point sources, such as a cement factory or biomass power plant, and normally it is stored in an underground geological formation. The aim is to prevent the release of large quantities of CO2 into the atmosphere from heavy industry. It is a potential means of mitigating the contribution to global warming and ocean acidification of carbon dioxide emissions from industry and heating. Although CO2 has been injected into geological formations for several decades for various purposes, including enhanced oil recovery, the long-term storage of CO2 is a relatively new concept. Carbon dioxide can be captured directly from the air or from an industrial source using a variety of technologies, including absorption, adsorption, chemical looping, membrane gas separation or gas hydrate technologies. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.